Hey guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to take your apps from out your folder on your iPhone. So sometimes apps can just easily go into a folder that you didn't put them into, or you could have created a folder and you no longer want your apps in a folder and you want to figure out how to take them out. So in this video I'll show you guys how to do that, so stay tuned. Okay, so the first thing that you want to do is find the folder. So you see this folder right here that says photo and video. I have two apps that are in that folder. So to fix this, I am going to hold down that folder and it says Fleet, which is the Postmates app, rename and rearrange apps. So I'm going to click on the third option, which is rearrange apps. Click on it. And you see that it's wiggling everywhere, all of the apps. But what I'm going to do is go back and click on one app, not hold down one app, and slide it down. Let's do that again. Okay, so you see that it's no longer in the folder. It is now on my screen just as is. So I'm going to take that other one out the folder as well and just slide it down. And then to stop it from wiggling, you're going to just click on your home button. And now everything's back in place. So now I have all my apps that I would like to be just as is for easy access right here. So I like to keep all my apps just like this because it's just easier for when I need to get to them. I can just easily click on them rather than having to click inside a folder and then go back to the app. So in this video I just showed you guys how you can take an app or apps out of folders and back onto the regular screen for your iPhone. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more of content like this. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.